Good evening, dear parents and students. Today we are going to see an important announcement released by the CBSE. They have given today evening the revised academic curriculum for the session of 2021 circular, and they have given that we can find this in cbseacademic.nic.in. Now we are moving to the revised one. See, the revised curriculum is from class 9 to class 12. Today we are going to check the revised secondary school curriculum. So in the secondary school curriculum, we have to go with the curriculum deduction detail. In this, first we'll go with the deleted portions of language and literature. English, language and literature. You all aware of that too. You are learning English as the language and literature. In this, they have included from ninth standard the grammar, usage of passive voice, class, proportion were deleted in the writing, letter on a situation, a paragraph description. It can be a place description or an event description is removed. In the literature, beehive, the lake of Isolov Innisfree, the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, Kathmandu, yeah, slumber did my spirit seal. All these five topics, five chapters in your literature, beehive is removed. The moments they have removed only two, Ishwaran the storyteller, the accidental tourist. These are all the portion deleted in class 9. When it comes to class 10, the English language and literature, they have removed the grammar, usage of passive voice, class as noun, adverb class of condition, time and relative, preposition. And in the first flight, literature first flight, they have removed how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the Orchard for Anne Gregory. And footprints without feet, the supplementary reader they have removed. The Midnight Visitor, a question of trust, the book that saved the earth. Students, so please note that the writing part is removed only in class 9, but whereas it is not removed in your class 10, it is included. The next one we'll go with the deleted of our mathematics, most expected by many of the students. In class 9, they have given that repeating, terminating or non-terminating, reoccurring decimals and real numbers. In polynomial, they have removed that proof of the state and proof of the remainder theorem and factor theorem, linear equation and cubic polynomial, linear equations in two variable, coordinate geometry, there is no deletion, and introduction to Euclid's geometry, complete deletion of the chapter, and lines and angle, no deletion. In triangles, in class 9, they have removed the proof of the theorem for two triangles are congruent, and triangle in inequalities relation is removed. In quadrilateral, they haven't deleted anything. Areas completely removed. Circles, there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. Line segment joining two points of substance, that theorem is removed. In construction, construction of a triangle of a given perimeter and a base angle removed. In the mensuration, application of Heron's formula is removed. Whereas in the surface areas and volume, no deletions. Statistics, histograms, frequency polygons, mean median mode of ungrouped data is deleted. In probability, there is no deletion. In class 10, the most avoided is in real numbers, they have removed Euclid's division lemma. In polynomial unit of algebra, they have removed the simple problem on division algorithm with real coefficient. Pair of linear equation in two variable, they have removed cross multiplication method, whereas your elimination method and substitution method is there. In quadratic equation, situational problem based on the reducible quadratic equations, that is simplified method statement is removed. In arithmetic progression, application of daily life problem, that is based on sum two of n terms, those type of problems removed. In coordinated geometry, area of triangle is completely removed. In geometry, triangle, proof of the two theorems given there is removed, that is ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. In a triangle, if the square on the one side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. These two theorems removed. Circles, there is no deletion. In construction, construction of a similar triangle similar to a given triangle is removed. In trigonometry, the only the complementary angles is removed. Heights and distance, there is no derivation. No deletion. In unit 6, mensuration, areas related to circle, problems based with a central angle of 120 degrees is deleted, whereas surface areas and volumes, frustum of a cone is removed. In probability, there is no deletion. In statistics, step deviation method for finding the mean and the cumulative frequency graph is removed. That's all for your removed portions of your mathematics. And next we'll move on to deleted chapters in science. In class 9 they have deleted a few topics in matter in our surrounding, like a definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, their interconversion state of like a freezing, evaporation. Those we have, these topics we have already studied in our junior classes. And organization of living world, diversity in living organisms is a huge topic. In that they have removed the diversity of plants and animals, basic issues in scientific naming, classification basis, hierarchy of categories are removed, and the salient features of certain major groups like bacteria, thallophyta, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperms and angiosperm, and a major group of animals salient features, that is non-chordates up to phylum and chordates up to classes is removed. In the unit 3, motion, force and work, flotation, thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy is removed. Don't worry children, all these topics you will cover again in class 11. And the sound topic, they have removed nature of sound, its propagation, sonar, reflection, ultrasound, all these things. Only structure of a human ear, the structure is removed. Only in terms of auditory respective, how it will function, you will study. Food production, improvement in food resources, plant and animal breeding, and the selection for quality of improvement and management, fertilizers and manure uses. These topics already we have discussed in class 8. Those topics alone removed in class 9. And in the natural resources, balance in nature, in our environment, physical resources, biogeochemical cycles like a water cycle, oxygen cycle, carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle, everything is removed here. Now let's move on to class 10, a most awaited one. In the first unit, chemical substance and nature and behavior, first two chapter there is no deletion. In third chapter, metals or non-metal, basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention is deleted. This is a very simple and basic one. Already you will learn this corrosion in your chapter 1. And when it comes to the huge topic of this carbon and its compound, they have removed nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups. See, they have removed the functional groups alone: halogen, alcohol, ketone, aldehyde, alkanes and alkynes. Differences between, but you have alkenes in your syllabus. Differences between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon, differences alone removed. Chemical properties of carbon compounds like combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution reaction, ethanol and ethanoic acid, only properties and uses alone removed. Soaps and detergents. That is this is the only topic which faces the drastic change in the complete unit. When you move to the unit 2, the world of living, there is no changes in your life process, there is no changes in how do organism reproduce. Only changes you are going to face only in 2 chapters: control and coordination, tropic movements in plant, that is chemotropism, zeotropism, phototropism, complete tropic movements, plant hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary and involuntary reflex action, chemical coordination, animal hormones, that is you have brain and its function alone in this chapter. Where you come to chapter 9, heredity and evaluation, basic concepts of evolution is removed. Whereas we'll move to the third unit, natural phenomena. The human only change we are going to face in the first, that among light and the human eye, we are going to face the changes only with the human eye and the colorful world. Functioning of lens in the human eye, and the defects of vision and their correction, and application of spherical mirrors and lenses. But you have atmospheric refraction, the other theory parts you have. Whereas in the effects of electric current, where you have complete electricity, there is no changes in the complete electricity, only the magnetic effect of electric current. It is removed: electric generator, DC, AC, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, and a domestic electric circuit, where you have Maxwell's law, left hand, Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, everything is there. Okay, so only electric generator is removed, electric motor is included in your syllabus, and all other rest part is there. And when you move on to the fifth unit, that is natural resources, in the sources of energy, different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, fossil fuel, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. These topics, they said that it is removed, but it is not very clearly said that if these are all the only thing we are going to study in this, whether they are going to remove the complete part or the left out traces we are going to study. And we have some deletion in our practicals also. pH sample finding out. In the chapters 2, we will study about pH acid bases and salts. We'll study about pH using that pH paper or universal indicator. Those practicals are removed, and the equivalent resistance of two resistors in series and parallel removed. Temporary mount of a leaf to show stomata is removed, and the properties of the acetic acid is removed, and comparative of cleaning capacity of a sample soap is removed. Varying distance object of a convex lens is removed. Identification of different parts of an embryo in a dicot seed is removed. And internal assessment, we have 16th chapter, that is management of natural resources. This chapter, the conservation and judicious use of natural resources, forest and wildlife, coal and petroleum conservation, people participation in conservation of natural resources, dams, advantages and limitations, water harvesting, sustainability of natural resources, all should be included in your internal assessment. It has to be taught in the class, but it is not for your exam purpose. Generally, this lesson has to be discussed for the internal assessment. And the last but not least, we will move to the social science, where you are going to face a major changes. In class 9, they said that any out of these two chapters, chapter 4 or chapter 5, has to be taught in the contemporary world 1, and that is history. In the geography, complete chapter 3, drainage, is completely removed except the map skill. And chapter 6, population, complete chapter is removed. And democratic politics, that is political science, they have removed chapter 2, constitutional design. Democratic constitution in South Africa alone is removed, and the democratic right, complete chapter is removed. In economics, food security in India, the complete chapter is removed. In class 10, India and the contemporary world 2, history, section 2, any one out of the two chapters, chapter 3 or chapter 4. The chosen chapter should be assessed only in the periodic test, and it should not be assessed in the board exam. So chapter 3 or chapter 4 will be decided by your school, and they will teach and keep that as a internal test. And in the section 3, everyday life, culture and politics, chapter 5, print culture and modern world, complete chapter is removed. Unit 2, that is contemporary India 2, geography, forest and wildlife, chapter 2 is completely removed. Chapter 3, water resources, is completely chapter removed except the map skill. It will be there in your board examination. Whereas chapter 5, mineral and energy resources, complete chapter theory part is removed except your map skill. Map skill is there in your exam point of view, energy and mineral resources. Whereas it comes to the third unit, that is democratic politics, that is political science, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 8, that is democracy and diversity, gender, religion and caste, popular struggles and movements, and challenges to democracy. These 4 chapters are completely removed, whereas there is no change in the economics part. Students, that's all the changes given by the CBSE today for your upcoming 2021 board examination. I hope now you have a clear picture about what to study. Even though those deleted portion must be taught by your teacher through some online modes of education, but those part, the deleted chapter, please take a note of those deleted chapter. Those chapters are not for your 2021 board point of examination. Thank you, children.